Today my client came in for some K-tips, and we are going to take her from this very short looking hair that has some hairline problems to looking like she has long luscious hair growing out of her scalp. Now, to start the work, prep is always going to be the most important. I know you guys want to get these K-tips, these extensions, all of these luxury installs, but you are not actually taking care of the hair that is the base of this install, the foundation. Hello. Anyhow, you guys, my client had a little bit of itch, so I started out with our Soothe Balance Pre-Poo and Pre-Treatment. This is going to take the itch away, okay? Let me just drop it right in your lap. This is what calms the itch, this is what soothes the scalp, and this is what also helps to reduce that inflammation that's causing the itchiness in the first place. Now, the steam you see, you guys, that is not hot water. I'm actually running a hair steamer while I'm doing my shampoo process because this is all about the prep, honey. And she had a lot of shedding going on, so we did also do a protein treatment because I knew that we were going to be doing her K-tips today, and we wanted to make sure that her hair was strong, but also not excessively shedding or any type of breakage that would then cause or compromise her K-tips. Now, I know a lot of you are used to getting your installs done. You're used to sitting in someone's chair with your hair already washed from home. But we are not doing that at Elite Hair Care Salon. We're making sure that the hair is prepped and ready before we go and install a $2,400 hair extension service. Like, make this make sense. On top of that, the hair was $900. So if we want to make sure that we are doing a luxury service and giving your hair Bentley style care, that is what is required. I will never tell a client to come in already washed, baby. That is a part of my job, and that is the luxury of sitting in a stylish chair. You feel me? Anyway, you guys, after her shampoo process, we went in with the blow dryer. I did, of course, use our Shield Heat and Humidity Protectant Spray first because heat protectant is also a part of this process. And then we silked her out to get her ready for her K-tip. Let me also point out that people think that if your hairline is slightly compromised, you can't get a service like K-tips, and that is definitely far from the truth. Now, not every hairline is ideal for K-tip services, but her hairline, as you can tell, is slightly sparse, and we were still able to achieve fullness, length, density, all that good stuff. Now, when we talk about prep work, the prep work starts from the product and the shampoo bowl. So you guys, make sure you tune in and tap in because tomorrow starts my birthday sale, and your girl is turning 40, but I'll be 39 forever. Stay focused. Anyway, you guys, all of our Elite Hair Care products, all of our CW skincare products will be on sale starting June 19th, which is also Juneteenth, and ending June 22nd at 11:59 p.m. So you definitely want to tap in at EliteHairCareUSA.com. And where are my manners? Just a reminder that our limited edition Rich Auntie 622 body gloss and body wash launches tomorrow. So be sure to tap in on MissCrystalWilliams.com, MSCrystalWilliams.com, so you can get your limited edition body gloss and body wash because, baby, this is giving real Rich Auntie vibes, and this is not something that you want to miss out.